Okay, I am totally channeling my mother right now because she was the queen of putting together a scene, a tablescape, and I'm channeling her and trying to get this right. Hey there, it's me, Lottie, and we are here in the cozy kitchen of the homestead. And I decided today would be a perfect time to play around with some fall tablescapes. This year, I decided to invest a little bit in getting my table together the way I dreamed it could be. I put a lot of things on hold, of course, over the last couple of years. And, I just never had everything, the way I wanted it to be. And I kept saying, oh, I can't, buy this or buy that. So this year I bought a few things. This is my table I've had for several years now. I really love this table. I got it from IKEA, and it's just a really nice pine with a gray trim. It's very modular, well, convertible, which I love. As you can see, I think that this is a leaf and this is a leaf. So when those two sides are down, it really makes a nice small sort of coffee bistro, small table. And when it's extended all the way and was pulled away from the wall, I can probably seat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people around it, more or less. So I just, think it was such a good investment. And I'm gonna play around with some things and just see what it looks like. One of the first things I'm gonna play around with is this table runner that I made. I made this a few years ago. I have a video on this because I hand sewed it. It was made from 2 of my mother's dresses, fancy dresses that she had that I thought were just so beautiful. It doesn't fit the whole table, but we're gonna see what it would look like put together as a tablescape. I picked up a few things. I got these from Marshall's. I thought they were so cute. They're just little white ceramic pumpkins. I don't know how I'm going to use those or if I'm going to use those. Then I found this gorgeous pumpkin at Marshall's also. The texture, I just love the addition of this texture. So we'll see. I have wanted these for years. I mean, I literally have wanted to buy these pumpkins every time I saw them, and I always talked myself out of them. And you know what? I said, I'm getting these pumpkins this time. Look at that, pretty sea green, and I thought it would go really nicely with this gold and that. I don't know, we'll see. I like it. Look at the little angle that it's on. And just to have that little bit of luxe look, I got a gold pumpkin. This is an investment. I made it as an investment. And then I also have this. This is a candle holder. I got it a couple years ago. So I don't know if it'll be on the table, but we have that to play with as well. And I did a little thrifting. I have a collection of white dishes and I have some light green dishes that I'm gonna see how that looks. So I am a fan of collecting. My father collected Depression glass and my mother collected antiques. And I think I have the bug. This is called Jadite. It is a pale green glass. And if you look carefully, it looks like it's probably the anchor hocking. I need to look and see, what is that? And if you look closely, you'll see at the bottom, this is by Anchor Hocking. Sometimes you'll find it where it's been pressed and it's just a duplicate, won't have a stamp on the bottom. And you know, if you just like it, then go ahead and get it. I mean, if you're into collecting, you know, for it to be genuine, then that is what you want to look for on the bottom. But you know, I have plenty that has no stamp at all. I like it because I like it. It brings me joy. So I think those are going to be the base. I'm going to try just making 2 plate settings here and here, because I can always do 4 or however many I need. I want to see what I want them to look like, you know. Okay, now what I like to do is mix and match. And I showed you these before. These plates that I got thrifting. See, they don't have a stamp on the back. And I don't care. I love them. I like to mix and match. So this would be a salad plate, then a dinner plate, and a salad plate. That's pretty. That looks nice. I don't know, does it go? Does it go together? Then, if we were gonna serve a little soup, there it is. If we were gonna do a little soup, we could do that. Again, we're just playing around here with textures and patterns. I had this other white that I've used before on holidays. It's just a strip of fabric that I just like the open work and the way it shows the table underneath. And I'm wondering how that looks. I don't know. Let's keep going. I mean, I think that I'm on to something, but I think it still needs some work. I really love the pumpkins. I do like this. I mean, I love the way, you know, I do like the way that it looks. I think that's gorgeous. I just gotta figure out the rest of the table, you know. It's gonna take some time, I guess. Okay, I am totally channeling my mother right now because she was the queen of putting together a scene, a tablescape, and I'm channeling her and trying to get this right. So I decided to add this runner, this lace. Like I said, I found this, I don't know, in a remnant bag. I don't know. Me and my thrifting, you know. So I put that down first. Now let's put the hand sewn runner over it. Okay, so now I put the runner on top. I don't know, somehow I think that I do like that better than just the runner would have been fine. But I just felt like, I don't know. I felt like it needed needed something else. It needed a little something else to go with. I think that is starting to come together. I think so. I mean, we still have a few things to add, but actually I think I like it. So like I said, I'm only focusing on half the table because I'm not doing the other half right now. Just to see how this will come together. And now I'm gonna grab the napkins. I have these really cute napkin ring holders, napkin rings that I found. I think someone found these at a yard sale or a thrift store and got them for me actually. And I found these napkins. They're so pretty at a thrift store. With this gorgeous design on them. Look at that. I don't know, is that a crochet? I don't know what that is, but isn't that beautiful? So, let's see. We have napkins. Let's just do something simple since we have a napkin ring. Maybe we'll just do this. Hey, this is the holidays. We're being fancy. We're being fancy. I want to put. I had to figure out. I can't remember which side the napkins go on. That. I don't know. Let me figure that out. I don't know where this is gonna go. I only have one of them, but this is this cute little vase that I found thrifting. This is the hobnail pattern, and I have this really cute. I think I found this at like I said, a thrift store. I just thought these were so unique, these little puff puffs. And I love that they are the same colors as this particular panel, because I think that helps to tie it in. Can all these fit? Maybe I'll have to trim them down. Maybe I'll have to trim them down, or maybe I'll use a different vase, or maybe I should use 2 vases. Oh, but that is cute. That is cute. I love the way that brings in the color. I don't know what else you want to put on this table. We got some salt and pepper shakers. Does that balance it out on this side? We need a candle. Ooh, this is coming together, y'all. This is coming together. It is about to be cute. I think it's going to be cute. Now I know I need to put my silverware out. I don't have any glasses out, which I don't have any wine glasses. That's all right.